fixed an issue with the OAL language specification that caused a parse error in certain situations. So I've got a function open right now to demonstrate this issue. If I come up here to the first statement in this if statement, I have a statement in here that just says no error equals true. I have that there to prevent the issue. If I delete this line, I get a parse error, and it tells me that it can't find the specified class, external entity, or interface green. And that's because in OAL, white space is ignored, so this configuration is no different than this, where it's going to interpret this green as a Q letters for an external entity or a class or an interface. And OAL does not require parentheses around the expression, conditional expression of an if statement. So this can happen. The solution, the current workaround is to add another statement before the function call. So something like no error equals true. And that resolves the issue, but of course that's not ideal. So what we've done is we've added a new keyword in OAL to go after the conditional expression on an if statement, so that when we remove that line of code, we still have parsing OAL. The same thing applies to the elif statement and additionally the while statement. So down here in the while statement, I'm demonstrating another situation that can happen with enumerators. So up here, I'm using constant specifications to demonstrate. Down here, the same thing happens with enumeration literals in OAL. And so it's looking to find a package, component, or system model to match numbers because it's looking for a scoped reference for an enumerator type. Again, I can add another keyword. This time for while loops, it's loop. And that resolves the issue. The then and loop keywords are optional at the moment in OAL, although we encourage them to be used, and sometime in the future we plan to make them required part of the language. And that's it.